Top 9 reasons why women are using green smoothies to lose weight, boost energy, and look years younger. Before this video start, don't forget to grab your discount on an A+ Smoothie Deep program, which you will find in the description. Enjoy! It seems life just keeps moving faster and faster these days. As a woman, you juggle so many different tasks and responsibilities, it sometimes seems unending. You manage your family, work, errands, school, social responsibilities, and so much more. When you are taking care of everyone else and on the go all the time, taking care of your body and maintaining a healthy diet often falls to the wayside. You rush about to meet the demands of your life each day. Who has time to cook healthy, well-balanced meals every day when you are juggling all that? Unfortunately, the quick and easy food choices are often the worst options for your body, but they are so convenient when you're on the run. Couple that with all the stress, and extra weight shows up all too easily. What's worse is that all the nutrition advice out there gets overwhelming and confusing, so most people have no idea how to eat healthy and lose weight. The great news is that just about everyone who drinks green smoothies loses weight. In fact, most people who follow our smoothie diet weight loss program, which you find in the description, report up to 3 to 8 pounds weight loss in their first week. 1. Green smoothies for weight loss. A major benefit of green smoothies is weight loss. Keep in mind, not all smoothies are created equal, however. Some are very healthy while others, not so much. A proper green smoothie for weight loss includes lots of leafy greens and other vegetables, whole fruits such as a banana or apple, and water. Avoid adding dairy, such as milk or yogurt, as these add unnecessary fats and calories, and can irritate your digestive system. One major weight loss guideline is to increase your intake of vegetables, healthy fiber, and fruits. Green smoothies offer a quick and convenient method for this, and they are super quick and easy to make. Just throw everything in a blender for a few seconds, pour it in a travel cup, and you are ready to go. The fiber helps you feel full, reducing the urge for unhealthy snacks between meals. 2. Healthy meal replacement. If you make it right, your smoothie is a perfect meal replacement. To do this, you need to add healthy fats and plant-based proteins, which helps you feel full and get the nutrients your body needs with fewer calories. 3. Detox your body. The fruits and vegetables alkalinize your system, cleansing toxins from your organs and blood. As your body releases toxins, you not only feel better, but your organs run at optimum level. Your body processes and digests more effectively. You absorb nutrients better, helping you feel more satisfied and reduce cravings. 4. Feel more energized. Adding the right nutrients into your body while releasing toxins will give you a serious energy boost. You feel better. More energy also boosts your metabolism, so you burn more calories. With all the responsibilities you juggle every day, won't it be great to have the energy to manage it all and still have some left over for fun? You can play with the kids, have some fun with your spouse, or add in some quality time for yourself. 5. Boost your self-confidence. What? How is a smoothie going to do that? Well, first, you are making a conscious choice to do something good for you. It is a decision you can feel good about. Instead of grabbing something quick that you know is bad for you and is going to make you feel icky, you can make a quick smoothie and drink it on the go, knowing you are nourishing yourself by putting healthy food into your body. Second, as your body releases all the toxins it's been storing up, you feel better in your body. And, of course, as you drop excess weight, you will feel better about yourself and your body. It's an all-around win-win. 6. Beautiful skin, hair, and nails. Antioxidants are nature's magic pill for bringing out your natural beauty. Fresh fruits and vegetables are a powerhouse of nutrients and antioxidants. This, combined with the detoxification benefits of green smoothies, leads to clear, glowing skin, stronger nails, and lustrous, healthy hair. They help reduce or eliminate eczema and other skin conditions. 7. Anti-aging. You not only get clearer skin, but the nutrients in green smoothies also help boost production of collagen, creating firmer, younger-looking skin. Apples, strawberries, and oranges are great choices to add to your smoothie for this. Do you ever buy those super expensive anti-aging lotions with CoQ10? Try a green smoothie instead. It's cheaper and you know exactly what is in it. Q10 is a naturally occurring coenzyme that helps your skin stay firm and smooth. As you age, the Q10 in your body decreases. Green smoothies are a great source of these anti-aging enzymes. 8. Chronic disease prevention. You do all this running around for a reason. You love your family and you want to take care of them. More than anything, you want to be around to enjoy them as you get older. Green smoothies not only provide the energy to manage all the responsibilities and stress, but also help prevent chronic disease. Proper nutrition and diet is one of the best measures for preventing heart disease, cancer, diabetes, and many other health conditions. Green smoothies are a wonderful source of these life-saving antioxidants and nutrients. They also support the body's natural cleansing and detoxification processes, helping you release toxins and decrease health risks. 9. Improve digestion and gut health. All that fiber is great for clearing out your digestive tract. This alone has wonderful health benefits as your health starts in your gut. A clear and healthy digestive tract brings less bloating, reduced weight, improved toxin elimination, stronger immune system, increased mental clarity, and more energy. Ready to get healthy and lose some serious weight fast? Adding healthy green smoothies into your diet is a quick and easy, all-natural way for busy women to improve their health and lose weight. There are lots of delicious recipes that are quick and easy to make and won't break the bank. Whether you are just trying to lose the last 5 to 10 pounds or you want to lose 30 pounds or more, I encourage you to click the link in the description and watch a free video presentation and try our smoothie diet program to see how effective detox smoothies for weight loss can be.